Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how to swiftly and easily create a LinkedIn business page using a mobile device. Let's begin. First, we will open any browser. Please note that this process cannot be completed using the LinkedIn app. In the search bar, type LinkedIn and click on the appropriate option to access the LinkedIn website. You will then be prompted to log in to the account you wish to use to create the business page. After logging in, you will need to switch to desktop mode. To do this, click on the three dots at the bottom of the screen and select Desktop Site from the menu. Once you are in desktop mode, you will see the For Business option at the top of the screen. Click on this option and scroll down to the Create a Company Page section. Click on this button to begin the process of creating your business page. You will then be presented with various options for creating your page. Select the appropriate option for your business and click on it. For example, if you are creating a page for a company, click on Company. You will then need to fill in all the required details for your business page. Once you have completed this step, click on Done to create your page. Congratulations! You have successfully created a LinkedIn business page using your mobile device. Thank you for watching.